Hello, Learning to Find Love affiliates, and I'm glad that you have found this video because it'll really help you to get ready for the next upcoming Learning to Find Love webinar course starting this October. So what I want to go through is just a refresher on how to log in and how to find your creatives and so forth. So the best place to log in is at the bottom of every page is this affiliate login link right here. So click on that. I have my login information. So you enter your email, which is your username and your password, and then you can log in. So, and once you log in, you'll be taken directly to your affiliate homepage, and it'll show your balance and what your commission rate is, and so forth. One of the things I would like all of you to do, just to make sure that you get your commissions, is I want you to go to your edit profile. And you'll see that your information is all there, but what's really important is your PayPal information at the very bottom. And my login email that I use for this affiliate membership is not my PayPal email. So and it might very well be the same for you. So I want you all to make sure that this is up to date and accurate. So this is where it won't change your login. It'll stay with whatever email you use to set up your affiliate account. This is just for payments, since all the payments go through PayPal. So just make sure that you have that updated and that you save your changes. Okay, so let's go back to the overview. And this is your, basic homepage. And when you go to this button here, creatives, you're going to have a couple things here. Let's go there. So you can at any time use this affiliate link to give to people directly in an email or in a chat or whatever. And it is already coded with your ID. So the cookie will set when that person clicks on the link and goes to the Learning to Find Love website. Once it's set, I think it lasts at least 30 days. It might even be longer. And so that enables that person to take a look, maybe, go check out other courses that they're considering. And as long as they come back within 30 days, they'll be recognized as somebody that came with your ID. So if they then register, you'll still get your 40% commission. So that's a really nice feature. Now, so that's how you can just do a simple link and get your commission. If you want to do, and it's right here too, but if you want to do something a little more graphic, I've created all these image ads, and they're different. Some of them have early bird notice on there that they'll save $75 if they register with the early bird discount. I have a couple of generic ones that have no dates. I'm pointing the early birds out because you're probably going to be doing those first because we're going to start here pretty soon. So these early birds do have a date since they don't have that notation. So let's say that you want to do our couple ad that has the early bird on it. You click on it, and because you're logged in and everything, it's going to automatically within the code have your specific affiliate ID. So, so this is your, what they call a HTML snippet. And you just copy this and either send this to your web designer, or if you're managing your own website, you can enter this as HTML to, and it will show this ad. And here you can preview it to see what it looks like. And this is the ad. And it has the new date starting this October and an alert here that they can save with the early bird discount. Now, once the early bird has expired, there are other ads that you can use instead of this that don't have that. And I'll show you where those are. So that's where you have get your snippet. Now, if you want to put this ad on Facebook, then what you would do is you could look at this preview and you can like right click and copy it and save the image. So you save image as on your own computer. Then when you go to Facebook, you can put that image in your post. And then you want to use that simple link that I showed you in the beginning. We'll go back to it so you can see where it is. So this affiliate link right here, that's what you want to put in your Facebook post. And if you've ever heard of like Pretty Links, you can put this in there, and it'll create a more I don't know, a link that doesn't show your ID in it. But that's a plugin that you have to create that, and not everybody's going to have it, and it's just fine. You can post this link, then in your Facebook post, somebody that clicks that link, they'll go directly to our upcoming course page where they will find all the details and hit that registration button, and you'll get your 40% commission. All right, if you need, well, let me show you, there are, again, non-early bird creatives. You can look through here. They're pretty self-explanatory. I also have in here some Instagram quotes that you're welcome to use on Instagram. Again, you'll have to have your link in your bio, your snippet. Instagram won't let you enter HTML in your post, but you can do the same thing where you preview it, right click it, save image as on your own computer, post it as you would any image on your Instagram, and then be sure to have your affiliate link in your bio, and you can say you can find the link to purchase in my bio. All right, if you need any graphics custom sized for you, like say you have a right hand column that you have on each page and it's narrow, like I have created some that hopefully would fit generically, like this 300 by 250. If that is still too big, then and that's the size right here. If that's still too big and you need me to make it smaller specifically to fit for your needs, I'm more than happy to do that. So just reach out to me and we can talk about what you need and how I can help you with that. All right, I appreciate you taking the time to listen to this, and I'm here to support you in any way I can. So please email me at the best one would be Carrie@call-carrie.com, and I will do whatever I can to help. All right.